Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of proper hydration while engaging in outdoor activities. Before we begin, please note that this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Let's get started. Prevent dehydration. Dehydration is a common problem that can occur while engaging in outdoor activities, especially in hot and humid weather. When you sweat, you lose water and electrolytes, which can lead to dehydration. Proper hydration can help prevent dehydration and its associated symptoms, such as fatigue, dizziness, and headache. Maintain body temperature. Staying hydrated can also help regulate your body temperature. When you're dehydrated, your body has a harder time regulating your body temperature, which can increase your risk of heat exhaustion or heat stroke. Drinking enough water can help maintain your body temperature and prevent these heat-related illnesses. Improve athletic performance. Proper hydration can also improve your athletic performance. When you're dehydrated, your muscles and organs don't function as efficiently, which can impact your endurance and strength. Drinking enough water can help improve your athletic performance and prevent fatigue. Tip 1. Drink water before you go. One of the most important tips for proper hydration while engaging in outdoor activities is to drink water before you go. This helps ensure that your body is properly hydrated before you start your activity. Drink at least 16 ounces of water before you head out. Tip 2. Bring plenty of water. Another important tip is to bring plenty of water with you. The amount of water you need depends on the duration and intensity of your activity, as well as the weather conditions. As a general rule of thumb, aim to drink at least 8 ounces of water every 15 to 20 minutes during your activity. Tip 3. Consider electrolyte replacement. In addition to water, you may also need to replace electrolytes lost through sweat. Electrolytes are minerals such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium, which are important for proper hydration and athletic performance. You can replace electrolytes by drinking sports drinks or eating electrolyte-rich foods such as bananas, nuts, and coconut water. Tip 4. Avoid alcohol and caffeine. Alcohol and caffeine can both dehydrate you, so it's best to avoid these beverages before and during your outdoor activities. Stick to water, sports drinks, or other non-alcoholic, non-caffeinated beverages to stay properly hydrated. So there you have it, the importance of proper hydration while engaging in outdoor activities. Remember to drink water before you go, bring plenty of water with you, consider electrolyte replacement, and avoid alcohol and caffeine. Always consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare provider before engaging in any physical activity or making any changes to your diet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on our channel. If you like our content, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button.